Welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche in the color white. Some features include power seats, heated, cooled, and memory seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlights, trailer brake controller. On the steering wheel we have cruise control, Bluetooth capability, media controls, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, CD player, auxiliary input, climate controls, telescopic pedals, comfortable seating for 5 with rear DVD player, sunroof, and much more. So don't miss out, hurry in or give us a call today at Davis Chevrolet to book your test drive.